Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to show you the full browser capability that with a little scripting can be built into the Cisco Webex board. You may be familiar with some of the web applications, the ability to essentially make a bookmark to a web app on the screen of the Webex board. Took it a step further and gave us back the full browser functionality. And what I mean by that is if you look at the browser, the page that's displayed on the Webex board, you have no address bar. You have no way to manually type in an address. So with a typical browser, you do. What I did is I went ahead and wrote up a quick macro that does this for you. And I have the link right on the screen here. So let's jump into it. If you find this helpful, be sure to subscribe. But without further ado, let's talk tech. Here we go. So if we open the browser option, you want to be able to type in an address, right? Cisco.com. Let's give it a try. Hit OK. It's going to take a moment for it to load the page. The browser will render the page when the page has been fully loaded, and there's a lot of rich content on Cisco.com. When it's loaded, you see Cisco.com. We can scroll through, we could watch videos, we can click links, so on and so forth. Now, let's dive back to the home screen again. And let's select that browser button one more time. What happens if you type a search term or if the URL you type in was not properly formatted or something like that? Typically in a normal browser, you will get a Google search result or whatever your default search provider is. In this case, I build it into the script to be Google. So let's look for something on the Rootkit Mini. Type in our search term, hit OK. It's going to give us a second to load here. And because Google is the default search provider, we have Rootkit Mini results returned. We can, of course, click down through and drill into them a bit further. But yeah, essentially we have taken and gone full circle, restoring that full browser functionality to the Webex board with this simple macro. If you're interested in the macro, I have the link in the video description to my GitHub repository that has that code in it. It's not the most excellent code in the world, so if you are a coder and you find some ways to clean it up or improve it, by all means, fork the repository and then let me know. Send a pull request back, and I will merge in your changes. But anyway, that's it. I want to thank you for checking out this video. Hit subscribe, check out our other content. Let me know of your favorite tips and tricks in the video discussion below, and I want to thank you for watching. Hope to see you again soon.